everyone. It's Amanda. I'm back. Thanks for everyone that's tuning in today. For those that don't know, I'm a work from home mom. I've been online since 2015. Yeah, it's been a while, but not earning consistently until the end of 2016, earning a full-time income and spending more time with my two lovely children. And I'm just here, of course, to provide information, because what I'm here to do is basically help others to work from home. Why? Because I wanted out of the rat race. And the only way I was able to do it was by working online and understanding affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, how the online space works, and being able to earn 6 figures a year online and showing others how to do the same. I'm here to inspire people, not only to let them know that it's possible, but to let them know the things that other people will not tell you. And for the whole entire 2015 and most of 2016, I wasn't earning a full-time income because there was a lot of loopholes and a lot of things that I wasn't told. I made a lot of mistakes. I joined a lot of programs that didn't work. And in the long run, well, in the beginning, it cost me more money by having to work through one program after another and not seeing any consistent results, okay? Most people, if you don't know, fail online because they don't have any results. They're not earning consistent enough, and they're pushing out a ton of money and not making anything in return. And that's what happened to me. That's basically was one of my biggest issues in the beginning. It was either putting out money and not making money, or going into the back office and trying to figure out a training that was really foreign to me because I really didn't understand it. And when I finally had that light bulb moment in 2016, all I wanted to do was help others and let people know that it was possible to earn online and to really allow others to experience the success that I was having, because that's what was important to me. Not only that I can do it, but that it's something that other people can duplicate if they follow the proven steps and methods. Now, what most people say, well, what is it? Okay. For affiliate marketing is traffic, but not only that, being able to have something that's duplicatable where you can start earning pretty much right away. Because if you're earning online, it's going to build your confidence. And not only that, it's going to let you know what's possible. And then you can scale up what you're earning. So you can just keep turning money into more money, into more money. And, it just keeps flowing. And that's what I'm here to do. Okay. And I'm doing this because this is what's needed online. It's something that is definitely needed. I feel like more people, instead of just being a sponsor, should also be a mentor or coach to really give people that extra push and give them the knowledge that they need in order to be successful. Okay. So the reason why I'm on my website, and if you want to go take a look, all you have to do is go into successwithamandaray.com and my site will come up. But what we're going to talk about is my most latest method called the S3 method. And I am so excited about this S3 method because people are able to actually start earning and putting money in their pockets within the first 48 to 72 hours without having to recruit. Okay. And that's really usually unheard of. But I came across this method the summer of 2018, and I tested it for 3 months, and I was just blown away by the results. Within my first 6 weeks, I was making $25 a day. And within my first 2.5 months, I was making $50 per day just by answering a few short evaluations, spending about 1 hour per day. I didn't even know things like this was even out there, because when I first got into online, I was into gifting programs and I was doing surveys, but it was paying me literally pennies. And when I came across this method and see how easy it was to scale this up, and for some people, all they need is about $1,500 to $3,000 per month in order to leave your daytime job. That's extremely doable with the system. So in this short video, when you watch it, in the description will be the information for this training. It's going to tell you about the S3 method, what it consists of, how to get started, and how to start earning within the next 48 to 72 hours. Not only that, we have a Facebook group that has over 265 members, highly active, where people are posting their results, giving information, and then we also have group trainings every single Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern time. So This is a great way to actually get started, to start building back the confidence that you didn't have because maybe you weren't earning consistently. A way to get paid every day of the week, deposits straight to your bank account Monday through Friday, and being able to do something from home so you can spend more time with your family and enjoy the things that we should be enjoying in life other than sitting behind a desk for 8, 10, 12 hours a day. How do I know? Because I was one of those people, okay? I used to sit at a desk where I used to hate my boss. I was scared to take off a day of work. I was scared to get sick. I was scared to ask for a vacation because either I couldn't afford it or I was going to get fired. Okay. Nobody wants to live like that. This is a very lucrative industry because we have over 200,000 people per day that are looking to leave their job. So if you have something that actually works and something that you can do and you can give to family and friends where you feel confident enough to tell them about what you're doing so that they can leave their job, it's a win-win situation. It's a win-win situation. So I just want to thank you for taking this opportunity to sit with me and chat a bit. Again, the link will be in the description below. If you want to get started or have any questions, that information also will be in the description below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications about my videos. And again, I am very transparent, and I truly believe in helping people because someone took the time to help me. I would not be where I'm at today if it wasn't for a younger gentleman that was able to sit with me, explain to me how things work online, and really get me out of that hamster on a wheel where I was getting in one program after another and not getting results. Because of that person, I am where I am at today, and I just want to give back what I received. So that's why I come up with these programs, and I come up with a way for people to earn consistently online and build a full-time income. I want to again say thank you for watching this video. I am so forever so grateful and humble, and I look forward to seeing you again. So again, please subscribe, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Have a great day.